House, a living room, a bedroom, a bathroom, a kitchen, a dining room, a toilet, a garden. This is my house, this is my living room. This is my bedroom, this is my bathroom. This is my kitchen, this is my dining room. This is my toilet, this is my garden. I have one house, I have 2 living rooms, I have 3 bedrooms, I have 4 bathrooms, I have 5 kitchens, I have 6 dining rooms, I have 7 toilets, I have 8 gardens. I don't have a house, I don't have a living room, I don't have a bedroom, I don't have a bathroom, I don't have a kitchen, I don't have a dining room, I don't have a toilet, I don't have a garden. Do you have a house? Do you have a living room? Do you have a bedroom? Do you have a kitchen? Do you have a dining room? Do you have a toilet? Do you have a garden? Is it a house? Is it a living room? Is it a bedroom? Is it a bathroom? Is it a kitchen? Is it a dining room? Is it a toilet?